This is why my car won't start with a new battery. So guys, first is check the battery installation. Make sure the battery terminals are clean and tightened properly because loose or corroded connection can stop power flow. Now, if you hear a click but no crank, the starter motor or solenoid may be faulty. And another thing you could consider is alternator issues because a bad alternator won't recharge your new battery. So it makes the car living without enough power to start again. Another one is ignition system faults. So sometimes if you have a faulty spark plugs, ignition switch or wiring, it can prevent the engine from firing even with a fresh battery. And now guys, if the engine cranks but don't start, just simply check for fuel because sometimes a clog filter or a failed fuel pump could be the cause. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.